Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create UML diagrams in Draw.io in 2026. If you're designing software systems, documenting applications, or planning development projects, this guide will help you create UML diagrams step by step. First, open Draw.io and create a new blank diagram. You can also choose a UML template if you want a faster starting point. Next, open the Shapes panel and enable the UML shape library. This will provide access to UML-specific symbols and diagram elements. Now drag the required UML shapes onto the canvas. Depending on your project, you can use classes, actors, use cases, interfaces, or other UML components. Next, arrange the elements in a logical structure that represents your system or application design. Now double-click each shape to add names, attributes, methods, or descriptions where needed. Next, use connector lines to show relationships such as associations, inheritance, dependencies, or interactions between elements. Now adjust the layout and spacing to keep the diagram organized and easy to understand. If needed, customize fonts, colors, and line styles to improve readability and presentation quality. Next, review the diagram carefully and make sure all relationships and labels are accurate. Finally, save your UML diagram and export it as a PDF, PNG, or SVG if you need to share it with developers, clients, or team members. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create UML diagrams in Draw.io. You can now design and document software systems more effectively. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.